Good morning to all. Myself Aman Sharma, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management Department at RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today's our topic is type of catering sector. First is hotels. The sector provide food and beverage along with the accommodation. These developed from inns supported by the development in transportation and increase in business and leisure related tourism. It is called hotels. Restaurant. These catering sector came out from hotels. The chef and manager of hotels started up small place where provision of food and beverage was generally at high price due to the environment and mode of services. Third is popular catering. These catering outlets provide food and beverage at generally low or medium price with limited level of service. Next is fast food. Provision of food and beverage in a highly specialized environment which was characterized by high investment, high labor cost and vast customer. These grew up from the combination of popular catering and takeaway which was highly influenced by American companies. Next is takeaway. The provision of food and beverage in the form of parcels for the convenience of taking away and eating at the place they wish to have. This catering operation was influenced by America and trend in food taste to great extent. Next is retail stores. Here the provision of food and beverage was provided as a adjunct of provision of retailing developed from prestigious store wishing to provide food and beverage as a part of retailing concept. Next is banquet and conference. Here the provision of food and beverage is done on large scale, usually are pre-booked, usually originated from hotel but has now become major sector in its own. Next is leisure attraction. Increase in leisure items time to time has made profit from food and beverage which is provided at these places of leisure attraction, for example theme parks. Next is highway service stations. Born in 1960 with the advent of motorway travel often in isolated location, provision of food and beverage together with retail and petrol service for motorway travelers. Next is welfare catering. Provision of food and beverage to people through social needs, for example hospitals, schools, etc. Next is industrial catering. It was born out with the recognition that better feed worker for work better, provision of food and beverage for people at work. Next is member club. Provision of food and beverage to restricted clientele. It originated from England in the 17th and 18th century where members club were popular. Casino. Provision of food and beverage as an adjunct to gambling. Its origin can be tracked back to 18th century of Europe. Next is transport catering. Provision of food and beverage to people on move. It come out of need to meet requirement of traveling public, for example railway, airlines and marine. Next is mobile catering. Provision of food and beverage from vans, carvent, etc. They are developed from the awareness area at different times. Outdoor catering. Provision of food and beverage away from home bases. This developed to the need of providing at special events. Next is entertainment catering. Provision of food and beverage along with entertainment. These developed from dine and dance area, for example nightclub, discotheques, etc. Please like our video and share it and also subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics. Thank you.